The new Hilltip fully electric hot water weed control unit for professional use. The compact and robust frame makes the unit easy to load with a forklift in a van, on a pickup truck or a trailer. The Hilltip weed control unit is very easy to use. Turn on the heating and set the flow rate on a simple mobile phone control. Spray gun and the weed control lance are both included in the package, as well as a 20-meter hose reel with an automatic rewind. Spray hot water on the weeds carefully. The device works completely without toxins or other substances, and the electrically powered device is very quiet. The inbuilt water tank ensures mobile use for a long time. When you are ready, just roll in the hose with the automatic rewind. Turn off the heater and you are ready to go. Thanks to the pure water treatment, the surface is safe to use immediately after the treatment.